Hi, this is Vince, and I just wanted to provide a quick introduction to a great free 5-part video series by Sarah Starr on how to sell affiliate products. So listen up and get your free training.
Now, would you like to make a full-time living online, working from home, selling other people's products as an affiliate? Well, today I'd like to take you by the hand and show you exactly how I do that in my business, step by step. My name's Sarah Starr, and I've been a full-time internet marketer for around 10 years now, and one of my favourite ways to make money is with affiliate marketing. In fact, I make over $10,000 a month just from affiliate marketing, and what I'd like to do today is show you exactly how I do that step by step. Now, what I've done is I've created a 5-part video course. I call it How to Sell Affiliate Products, and in that 5-part video course I've outlined exactly how I make that $10,000, and I've broken it down into 5 separate parts, and today I'd like to give you that course completely for free simply by clicking on the link below this video. So I'd love to show you exactly how I make my living with affiliate marketing, and I'd love to show you exactly how I do that. So click on the link below this video and you can download my entire course today for free.